welcome to online classes. Today we will continue with our chapter number 6. Today we will solve exercise number 6.5. First question is choose the correct answer. Number 1 is if the price of 6 table is, you have given the price of 6 tables. What is the price of 6 tables? Rupees 7,410, and you have to find the price of each table. 6 table price is given, you have to find the price of one table. So how you will find? We will divide and find. 7,410 divided with 6. 7,410. 6 ones are 6, minus it, 1, 4. 6 twos are 12, minus it, 2, 1. 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. So we will take 6 threes are 18, minus it, 11 minus 8, 3, and here 0. In the table of 6, 30 comes? Yes, 6 fives are 30. So what is our answer? Means the cost of one table is rupees 1,235, which is given in option number D. So you will tick option number D for first question. Okay. What was the question? Cost of 6 tables were given. Okay. 6 tables is equals to rupees 7,410. And what you asked? One table, cost of one table you have asked. Okay. So you will divide and find the answer. And the answer is rupees 1,235, which is given in option number D. So you will take option number D. Now number 2. The price of 8 bicycles of the same brand is. Number 2. Price of 8 bicycle is equals to rupees 8,200. The price of each bicycle is 8 bicycle cost rupees 8,200. You have to find the cost of one bicycle. Okay, you have to find the cost of one bicycle. So what we will do? We will divide 8,200 by 8. Let's see. 8,200. 8 ones are 8. Minus it is 0. Okay, 2. In the table of 8, 2 doesn't come, so we will take smaller value 0. Minus 2, 0. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So we will take here 8 twos are 16. Minus it, 10 minus 6 is 4 and 0. 8 fives are 40. So what is our answer? Our answer is rupees 1,025, which is given in option number A. So you will tick option number A for this. Okay. Now number 3 is the product of two number is given. Okay. What is the product of two number? Question number 3. The product of two number is 8,000. Okay. If one number is 5, the other number is, if one number is given as 5, you have to find the other number. Okay. So what we will do? We will divide with 5. 5, 8,000. 5 ones are 5, minus 3, next number 0. 5 6 are 30. Minus it, next we will note down 0. 5 zeros are 0. Next, note down 0. 5 zeros are 0. So what is our answer? Our answer is 1,600. Okay. So this is given in option number D, 1,600. So you will tick option number D, 1,600. Okay. Now what is question number 4? On dividing the greatest 4-digit number by 10, the remainder so obtained is. First we will write what is greatest 4-digit number. Okay. Number 4 is the greatest 4-digit number. GR is the short form for greatest. Greatest 4-digit number is equals to 1000. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Greatest 4. This is smallest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Okay. When it is divided by 10, you have to divide this by 10. Okay. 10 nines are 90. Minus it 9. Again we will note down 9. 10 nines are 90. 9. 1 9 is also left. We will note down 9. 10 nines are 90. Minus it 9. So what was the question asked? Question was on dividing the greatest 4-digit number by 10. We have divided the greatest 4-digit number by 10. What remainder you obtain? What remainder you obtain? The answer is 9. Remainder is 9. So it is given in option number B. So you will tick option number B. Okay. Now question number 2. That is word problems. Question number 2 we will solve. Okay. Question number 2 is 8 children can sit on a bench. How many benches are required for 656 children to sit? Okay. Let's see how we will write. It is a word problem question, so we have to write the solution. Statement also. So how many children are there first? Number of children can sit in one bench. Number of children can sit in one bench. How many children can sit in one bench? 8. Okay. So how many benches are required for 656 children to sit? So number of children is equals to how many children are there? Number of children is equals to 656. So what we have to find it out? Number of benches required. Number of benches required. How many benches are required to sit this much children? So what we will do? We will divide this 656 divided with 8. Okay, let's see. 656. In the table of 8, 6 does not come, but 65 or smaller than 65 number come. Okay. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. Minus it. 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 6, 0. Next we will note down next number. 8 2s are 16. Minus it. So what is the answer? How many benches required to sit 656 children? 82 benches. So you will write down here answer is equals to 82 benches. How many benches are required? 82 benches are required to sit 656 children. Okay. Now moving on to next question. What is our next question? Next question is question number 3. Solution number 3. In a school there are 459 students. Okay. If there are 9 students in a row, how many such row can be formed? First we will write how many students are there. Number of students. How many students are there? Number of students is equals to 459. Okay. Then if there are 9 students in a row, number of students in one row. Number of students in one row is equals to 9. How many students are there in one row? 9. So how many such row can be formed? So number of rows you have to find it out. number of rows. Okay, so how we will find? We will divide this by 9 and find it out. Okay, 459 divided with 9. Let's see here. 9, 459. 9 5s are 45 minus, next number we will note down 9. 9 1s are 9. Okay, so what is the answer? How many rows should be there? 51 rows. Okay, so in below you will write down answer is equals to 51 rows. Okay, now next one is question number 4. Question number 4. What is question number 4? Question number 4 is 6 buses are hired to carry 354 passengers. How many passengers should a bus carry when each bus is to carry the same number of passengers? First we will write number of passengers. How many passengers are there? Number of passengers. How many passengers are there? Number of passengers is equals to 354. Okay, and how many buses are there? Number of buses is equals to how many buses are there? 6 buses are there. Okay, so what you have to find it out? Number of passengers in each bus. Number of passengers in each bus. This you have to find it out. So how we will find? We will divide 354 divided by 6. Why we will divide? Because total passengers are this much, number of buses are 6 and number of passengers in each bus are same. So when we will divide this, we will find how many passengers are there in one bus. Okay, how many passengers can sit in one bus? 6 5s are 30. 5 minus 0 5 4. 6 9s are 54. So how many passengers should be there in one bus? Answer is equals to 59 passengers. Okay, now next one is question number 5. Next is question number 5. Question number 5 is a shopkeeper bought 650 eggs. He placed them in an egg tray. If 10 eggs are placed in one tray, how many trays did he use? Okay, so first we will write number of eggs. How many eggs are there? Number of eggs is equals to 650. How many eggs are there? 650. Number of eggs in one tray. Number of eggs in one tray. How many eggs should be there in one tray? 10. So what you have to find it out? You have to find number of trays. How many trays are there? Okay. Number of trays we have to find it out. How we will find? We will divide this by 10 and find. Okay. 650. 10 6 are 60. Minus it. 5 0. 10 5s are 50. Cancel out. How many trays should be required? 65 trays should be needed to put 650 eggs. Okay. Now next one is question number 6. The product of two numbers is given. If one of them is 6, find the other number. Question number 6. question number 6. What is question number 6? The product of two number is. So we will write here the product of two numbers is equals to 348. 348. One number is given. One number is equals to what is the one of them? Is 6. You have to find the other number. Other number we have to find it out. How we will find? By dividing it by 6. 348. 6 5s are 30. 4 8. 6 8s are 48. So what is the other number? Answer is equals to, other number is 58. Other number is 58. Okay. Next number is question number 7. It is also similar. The product of two numbers are given and one of them is given to you. You have to find the other number. Let's see. Question number 7. The product of two number is, here also product of two numbers is equals to, the product of two number is 648. If one number is given, if one number is equals to, what? 8. You have to find other number. Other number we have to find it out. These two are similar question. In the same way we have to find 648 divided with 8. For division and multiplication you should know the tables very well. Okay. 8 8s are 64. 8 8 1s are 8. So what is the other number? You will write here answer is equals to, other number is equals to 81. What is the other number? Other number is 81. Now next question is, Yogesh distributed 200 toffees equally among 5 children. Question number 8. Question number 8. So what is question number 8? Yogesh distributed 200 toffees equally among 5 children. How many toffees does each child get? So first we will write how many toffees were there. How many toffees were there? Number of toffees is equals to 200. Okay. Number of toffees is equals to 200. Yogesh distributed among 5 children. So number of children is equals to, number of children is equals to 5. So this much you know. How many toffees Yogesh distributed? 200 toffees were there. How many children? Among how many children? 5. So what you have to find it out? Number of toffees each child get. Number of toffees each or one child get. Each child get. So how we will find it out? We will divide this by 5. 200 divided with 5. Divide this 5, 200. 5 4s are 20. Next 0. 5 zeros are 0. So what is the answer? Answer is equals to 40. How many toffees are there? 40 toffees each child will get. Okay. Next is question number 9. 828 flags were distributed equally to 9 schools. question number 9. What is question number 9? 828 flags were distributed equally to 9 schools. First we will write how many flags were there. Number of flags is equals to, how many flags are there? 828. How many schools are there? 9 schools. Number of schools is equals to 9. So what you have to find it out, how many flags were given to each school. Number of flags to each school. This we have to find it out. So how we will find 828 divided with 9. We will divide here by 9. 828. In the table of 9, 8 does not come, so we will take 2-digit number 82. 9 9s are 81. Minus it, 2 minus 1 1, 8 minus 8 0, 8. 9 2s are 18. So how many flags should each school will get? 92 flags. How many flags each school will get? 92 flags. Okay. Now question number 10. Now number 10 is 8 trucks carry 744 boxes of toys. Find the total number of boxes carried by a truck if the same number of boxes were carried by each truck. Okay. So how many boxes of toys in total? We will write here first number of boxes. How many boxes are there? 744. How many trucks are there? Number of trucks. How many trucks are there? 8. What you have to find it out? How many boxes will each truck carry? Number of boxes in one truck. Number of boxes in each truck. This you have to find it out. 744 divided with 8. 744. 8 9s are 72. 2 4. 8 3s are 24. So what is the answer? How many boxes will each truck carry? Is equals to 93 boxes. Okay. Now question number 11. What is question number 11? The weight of 7 boxes is given. Question number 11. Question number 11 is the weight of 7 boxes 364 kilogram. All boxes are of equal weight. Find the weight of a box. You have to find the weight of one box. Okay. So total weight of boxes, we will write here total weight of boxes is equals to 364 kilogram. 364 kg is the short form for kilogram. Okay. Next is number of boxes. How many boxes are there? Number of boxes is equals to 7. What you have to find it out? Weight of one box. Okay. Weight of one box is equals to 364 divided with 7. 364. 7 5s are 35. Minus it 1 4. 7 2s are 14. So what is the weight of one box? Weight of one box is 52 kilogram. What is the weight of one box? Weight of one box is 52 kilogram. Okay. Now next question is question number 12. Question number 12. What is question number 12? Cost of 9 bicycle of same brand is rupees 4050. So what is the cost of 9 bicycle? We will write here first. Cost of 9 bicycle is equals to rupees 4050. Okay. So find the price of one bicycle. Cost of 9 bicycle is rupees itna. You have to find cost of one bicycle. How we will find? Divided by 9. 4050 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. It will be greater. So we will take 9 fours are 36. Subtract this 3, 10 minus 6, 4, 5. 9 fives are 45. 0. 9 zeros are 0. So what is the cost of one bicycle? Cost of one bicycle is rupees 450. Children, denominations, units are very important. As you can see here, I have written unit everywhere, in the question also and in the answer also. Okay, here it is asked in rupees, so I have written in rupees. Here it is in kg, I have written in kg. So units are very important when we are solving word problems or when we are solving maths. Okay, so please write the unit also. Now next question is question number 13. See, let us see what is question number 13. What is question number 13? Solution number 13. Question number 13 is, write the smallest 4-digit number and divide it by 10. So first we will write the smallest 4-digit number. What is smallest 4-digit number? Smallest 4-digit number is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth smallest 4-digit number. And what you have to do it? You have to divide it by 10. Okay? 10,000. 10 ones are 10. 0. 10 zeros are 0. Minus 0. 10 zeros are 0. So what is your answer? Answer is equals to 100. Okay? So with this, we have completed our exercise number 6.5 as well as chapter number 6. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you. We will meet in our next class with new chapter. Thank you.